Okay, first part is company, but before that, I'll just go over the overview of your recipe. I've already shown you the front end of your GL master data once you actually create the master data. Okay. The next step, of course, you have to give some controls to the GL accounts, and those GL accounts come with categories that we'll see later on. But once the master data is in place, we actually go for document entry, and that can be to F301L. This is just one posting, 0101, and let me say is double A 42 400 500. 01.01, ZAP 9, AED 400, 500, 2000, 601, 50, 269, 1, display document overview, and zero salary being paid. Okay, and then we can post it. We want to post it. We want to see. I'm not posting because there's another batch of company code and it will just disturb all the line items. So what I'll do, I'll just pull the documents that we have posted so far in this company code. And these are the documents that we've posted. Okay, I'll just pull any of these documents randomly. Okay, and if you can see, uh, these are basically paid in AED but reflected in USD. Okay, now how it is coming in USD, you'll see that as well. There is display document header. We'll discuss how a document looks like and how it can be adjusted and what else actually goes into making a document currency. Continue, confirm now. It's still showing USD display currency, local currency uses. Local currency is AED. Okay. Display currency, put currency would be USD. Okay. So this is what we are going to actually see. But before that, what we actually need in a document, for example, let's see, let's pull this one. It is a GM document, although it's in document type. Current account, cash account, this has been paid. Display currency can be any. Okay. So over here, what do we have? Document number, company code, fiscal year, period, dates, deal accounts. Okay. Profit centers, cost centers. I mean, these are the units that you have to put in place. Okay. So how we'll do that? We'll do that by configuring and going to the configuration node. And that configuration node is ISPRO. I know I will be a little bit fast because our course is quite lengthy. SPRO, this is the T code. Okay, if you want to see where is the T code, this is the transaction code. You just click here, you will see the transaction. So how did I land here? I landed by just typing SPRO, enter, and then over here it says reference implementation guide for SAP. Click it. I'm here. Now I want to create the units, company and company code. So for that, I'll go to enterprise structure at the top, where the top node, where the organizational units can be defined as enterprise structure. And we have to define the units, go to financial accounting, and we define the company. We define company, click. Okay. Over here, we have quite a lot of companies. Now, these companies, basically, what are these? These are basically mother companies. Okay. Gap, Group, SGD, Singapore. Okay. Main Boulevard, PO Box 65953595, City, Singapore City, SG, Singapore English, and currency will be SGD. Must have blend 06. Okay, this is 0500. Save. Now this is mother company basically that is in Singapore. Okay. Gap 9 FICO config. Data was saved. Okay. Company is made, which is Gap Singapore. Now the next part is company code. Edit, copy, delete. We'll go for edit company code data, new entries, and Gap 9. Gap 9, Dubai company. Dubai, country AE, currency AED, English language. Oh, Gap 9 exists. Okay, what do we do? Okay, we say Gap D. Okay, Gap Dubai, GFD, Gap 9, save, and VAUSNET Gap 9, GFD, Dubai. Okay, AE, whatever the region, we are not concerned with that. Okay, and save it. Now this is done. This is pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Okay, pretty straightforward. Now the next part is definition, assignment, financial accounting, assign company to company code, company code to company. Okay, because company has a higher precedence gap. Gap D and gap. Okay, save. It says company currency differs from company code currency. Doesn't matter. We will have foreign exchange rate, parity, and calculation also. So gap is basically given. Okay, and okay. Now next part is definition. Financial accounting. We are done. Define segment, new entries. Um, since we are going to gap already exists. Okay, GDP. Okay, save. We'll have segment reporting for passenger vehicles and SUV. Okay, we'll see what actually it does. Enterprise structure, this is done. Assignment. And now the next part is financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL account preparation, edit chart of accounts list, inventories, gap D. Okay. So maintenance language will be English, length of GL account number will be 10. Now, you can be asked in the interview whether companies can be assigned chart of accounts or not. And only company codes are assigned chart of accounts. Save and save. Okay, now this is saved. It is not yet assigned. I will assign to company code. GFPD, GFPD. Okay, save and save. Define account group. I'll just pull out a template that we have made and SAP 9. And I'll copy it because this is the template that we are going to use. It's just a numbering template. Okay. Define account group and new entries. Oh, fine. Okay. Enter, save, and save. Next is define retained earnings account. Now, this retained earnings account, chart of accounts is GFPD X 100, 100. Now, this is a symbol basically. I can introduce more symbols like X, Y, Z, A, B, C, and retained earnings account in chart of account can be different. Why? Because for different company codes for group chart of account. Save, save. Okay, this is done.